Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, the sun is shining. I don't know how long this is gonna last, so we're gonna get it going, guys. There's clouds around us, but I think we're gonna be okay, at least for a while. Got some wings in here on a marinade I did a couple hours ago, and it's a Korean style barbecue sauce, and it's been on there a couple hours, and let me show you what I did just a couple hours ago. You guys get started. I got probably 3.5 pounds here. I've already separated the flappers, separated the drumettes and the flats, and got them all here in the bag. We're gonna make us up a marinade. Got this McCormick's the Grill Mates. It's the Korean barbecue. I tried this out at a restaurant a while back and fell in love with it, and then I seen that McCormick's makes some, so because I got as much wings as I do, I'm doing 2 packs. Let's go get her on in here. That air out. As you know the drill, mix it well. Instructions say at least 15 minutes. I'm gonna go probably a good 2.5 hours. Going in the fridge, guys. We do have some wings, so let's see how that plays out. Gonna be cooking these wings on some medium heat here. So normally I'd put some oil down here, but there's so much oil on this chicken, I'm just going in. If I'm screwing up, guys, let me know. I think I am, though. Sizzling away. Woo. I told him I needed some longer tongs. Never done wings on a griddle before, guys, so this will definitely be a new experience for me. Go away, clouds. My day. My day. Turned over. Probably could have went a little bit longer before I turned them, but like I said, I'm really just winging this. Literally winging this. No pun intended. Whoa, get back up there. Hope the wind isn't messing with us too much. I'm actually going to turn this up slightly. Want to really crisp up this skin as much as I can. We're starting to get some color in there. I like it. Ooh. It's smarter than the machine, Ken. Smarter than the machine. Oh yeah, we're getting some color. Keep them moving. Tell you what, guys, one thing I'm learning quickly is that flats cook faster than the drumettes. Yeah, we're close, guys. We'll crisp these up a little bit and go ahead and pull them. Flats are done. I'm going to pull off over here on the warm side. These things off of here. Still got a learning curve here, but I tell you what, these things are looking and smelling pretty tasty despite my rookiness. I'm gonna go get my family fed, guys, and I'll see you inside for a taste test. Look at my fancy china. Get some wings on here. Got some good color on it, and I don't have the best lighting, but let's get a taste test on this, guys. There's pros and cons to everything. When you get a sunny day like we got today, I'm so excited, guys. I ain't had that in a while. You get a sunny day after a series of wet days, you get humidity. And we definitely got that today. Let's give this thing a taste, guys. Korean style barbecue marinated wings. You know, I like that. I definitely have a learning curve on the griddle, but we're gonna get past that. That's nothing there, guys. Get another piece here. I got a little, getting messy. Just a little local brand Korean style barbecue dipping sauce. I'm gonna try this. It's about a medium heat. It's actually, I was expecting a little bit more heat, but we'll see. Oh yeah, that adds to it. Probably could have glazed that with it. Little heat there, not a lot. And finally, my standby. Just plain old ranch. When I eat at a restaurant, I always make sure I got some ranch on hand. It don't matter what wing I get, there's always ranch on hand. Always good, always good. You could have mixed glazed the barbecue style glaze there with the for dipping sauce. Grilled that in with the wings, and then dipped it in the ranch. That'd have been perfect. All right, guys, thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. Little muggy. Guys, thank you so much. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to us. Also, if you haven't already. We got plenty more to come. I'm so glad the sun's shining. I'm learning this griddle. Took a short break last week. Did something on the kettle, but got a lot to come this summer. Again, thank you so much. We will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.